it's Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have been really into astrophotography, and I don't want to go too far out of LA, so we're just really scouting out places around Los Angeles. And right here we're at Malibu, and this beach is called Leo.
It's Leo Carrillo State Beach.
Yeah, so the shot that we're trying to get is something along the line with the rock cave and then the Milky Way looking out of the cave. So we're gonna see how it goes. It's kind of hazy. It's been really hazy these days. This is how hazy it is. See? Very hazy. We just watched the sunset. It was really pretty. There is our crescent moon right there. It's gonna set around 10:30 today, where we're gonna have the best visibility of the Milky Way. That is, if the haze kind of subside a little bit.
Okay.
I just want to show you guys where the Milky Way would be according to this map here. So let me stabilize. So that's where the Milky Way is right now. But plays don't really dim down after around 10 o'clock. So we're gonna come back, we're gonna grab some food, and we're gonna see where this is gonna be. Probably gonna be just a little higher within the next 2 hours. Aren't you excited about this shot? Before we get into the shooting, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know if you guys ever tried to do this on your own. I'll try to share some settings in the end of this video, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, so we're back here by the beach inside of the freeway. Cars whizzing through, and John is my lineman. And it's about 10 o'clock and the moon is already setting and the stars are out. I'm so excited. I'm just walking. I wish you guys can see the stars. That's the moon. That's the moon right there. It's red. What? I'm confused. The waves already got here. Oh my god, no.
Yeah, camera. Get this shot around here.
Oh, get the shot around here.
Yeah.
Alright.
He's so bright.
You do not believe what I just did.
I think this is a better shot. Yeah.
I took like 10 shots and I didn't even. What the?
Oh!
There's a fucking hole here. Oh my god. Okay, I think I need to explain myself here. Everything is like dark. You can't see anything, but I basically was walking in that clearing of sand and I stepped into like a ditch. Literally a ditch that people dug out, you know, for sandcastles and stuff. So sorry about the cursing over there, but the rest of this video is gonna be kind of like how I managed to take shots in the dark for the Milky Way. So let's keep watching. Hey guys, so we're just on the staircase now because the tide is coming up really high real quick. So I have my camera set up here and we're trying to get a shot from that side where the Milky Way is. And this is what happens on the camera. Like that, yeah. So we're gonna find another location to get a better shot of this. Let's go. Hi Hi guys, so we're back in the car and we're gonna call it a night. Yeah, nope. I'm gonna just cut myself over there real quick because I have like no energy left. Basically, we had to retreat because you can't see the Milky Way anymore. It was really sad, but you know, taking pictures of the Milky Way is totally about luck, and if the weather permits, most of the time it's the weather. For example, there's so many fires that's happening in California, so like the last month, like we can't even go anywhere to take pictures. But this was one of my last venture out there to shoot the Milky Ways. I will share a couple of the pictures here. These pictures are before and after me editing it in Lightroom. I am not a professional in editing photos
or taking pictures of the Milky Way. These are just something personal I want to share with you guys.
When we were going back, we took the route through the mountains and then we were literally above the fog or the mist. So here's a before and after photo. You can see the Milky Way clearly above the fog. And lastly, here are the camera settings when I took the shots of the Milky Way. I am using a Canon Rebel T6i with the lens of don't know, so I'll leave it right here for you. So let me know if you guys ever get out there to take shots of the Milky Way, and check in the description box that I left some useful links and an app that you can use to track where it is and what is the best time to find it in the skies. Happy dreaming! I'll see you guys on the next one.